Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our previous video, we have integrated small sample HTML websites to our Laravel project. So as I said, in this tutorial, we are going to implement an actual website in Laravel project. So before starting this video, you have to at least gather some knowledge about basic SQL things because we are going to connect a database for this project. Okay, so we are going to implement a actual website. We are going to integrate the website designs in Laravel. Then we are going to create database and connect it with the Laravel package. Then we will create a table for contact us form. We will have a contact us form. For that we are going to create a table and we will keep the records of contact us form. Okay, so before starting this, we need to run the project. This is our project. In previous video also we are using the same project, so I need to run this project before. Okay, do one thing. I have received some mails regarding how to start a XAMPP. In this folder I have installed my XAMPP server. So when you get into this XAMPP server folder, there will be a exam control panel. When you click this control, you will have a panel like this. So just start the Apache for server, MySql for your DB connection. Okay, so we are going to use MySql DB. Okay, be clear when you starting the project before what we are going to use in our projects. Okay, so this is our project. I need to run this project. Already I am in a e-exam, then htdocs, then Good2Go, then CRUD. I am using the same Laravel project. If you want, you can install new project like a website folder name, then you can integrate with that project also. Okay, fine. So we need to start the project. PHP artisan sir. This command will trigger the project to our host. Okay, just copy this. Okay, this is the domain 8000. Okay, this is the pages what we triggered in last video. Okay, in this same page we are not going to work, so let's create a new route. How to create a route? So in previous video I have explained routes like this. Okay, so let me do one thing. This is a old page. Let's keep old in. Okay, fine. I'm going to tell you some bit more explanations in Laravel routes. Okay, there is a root group method. Okay, so before that, make sure whether you are keeping the Laravel website references. Just load the Laravel website and go to the document section. We are using a 5.8 version. Okay, be sure when you are starting the learning things which version you are going to code. Okay, I am just typing here root. Here is basic routing, URL generation, everything is there. We are going to basic. Here we need to get a root group method. Okay, here is the root group. There is a many methods like a middleware, namespace, subdomain routing, route prefixes. I am going to use route prefix. So I am just copy this route prefix. Let's copy this all. Okay, here I am giving agency. Okay, so the URL, which means whenever the the URL is loading with the agency slash page name. Okay, the URL means it's loading this. Here I'm giving agency and contact us. Okay, this agency is the prefix of this URL. Okay, the what are all the, if I am copying this all URLs and I am pasting here means it will work only whenever the prefix is appended. Okay, I am just showing this with sample. So let's create a new controller first. Creating a new command also. Folder cd exam hpdocs Good2Go. Before starting, we have to check whether the PHP partition command is working or not. Okay, it is not working, so let's create one more. The reason is I have installed the Laravel in particular drive. I have not installed it in globally in our system. Okay, so we have to know whether the Laravel is installed in globally or locally. Good2Go. Okay, fine. So I need to create one controller for this PHP artisan make controller. What is the previous controller name? Is website controller. So I am going to create main controller. Okay, this is the main controller. I'm going to write the code inside the main controller. Okay, whenever, as I said in previous video, here is the, when hitting the agency slash, it will go to home main controller, right? Sorry, main controller is the home page. Okay, let's create a function called controller main controller public function page. Let's put a dd means nothing but dd is the Laravel pre-builder method, that is nothing but print or exit. Okay, inside the printer you will put some variable, right? That is the dd method. Okay, so let's try this whether it is working or not. Agency slash agency is the prefix, slash is the basic URL. Okay, yeah, it's reaching the controller section. Okay, fine. Now we have the controller method. Okay, let's create one blade file for our website page. Okay, I am creating website new dot home page. Okay, in previous video we have created website folder already. Otherwise, let's create a website one folder. Be sure when you are writing a code, the name should be a actual name. Okay, I'm just giving it as a website one for folder name, just for a reference. Don't follow this in your development time. Oh, sorry. New folder website one. Okay, inside the website one we need to create one homepage.blade.php file. Let's create a new file, testing, save it as homepage.blade.php. make sure the path of the file. Okay, so we have mapped this function to website.homepage.php. I am going to refresh this. See, the testing is mapped. Okay, fine. Now we need to implement our website page in this blade template, right? Okay. Before going this, we need a website template. Where we will get the website template? There is a many website called themeforest.net, then color lab. Many websites are there to purchase the website templates. Templates means already some design developers have built the website templates. They already coded the templates. We can purchase it because some of backend developers don't have that much knowledge in front-end development, that is HTML CSS things. Okay, so see, in this themeforest.net we have a HTML. Here we have a website sections. Okay, in HTML we can pick a corporate website. Get into this website. You can see many websites of corporate website templates, right? Okay, you can add it into your cart. You can purchase it like a same like a e-commerce website. Okay, so already I have a purchased one website. Okay, this is the website template. Let me show you. This is the HTML template of, we are going to implement this agency pages. Okay, let me show this. This template name is peer. I'm opening this HTML form with agent Google Chrome. Okay, the template name is peer. See, yeah, attractive website. This is the template. Okay, so for your company you might require a basic website like this. So these are all a static website. You can change these all contents for you as per your business requirement. I am going to code only in this contact us part. Okay, we are going to fill this name, email and all. It will be stored in our database. Okay, let me explain how to integrate this agency.html in. Okay. Before that I have added that file in here, agency.html. okay, let's copy this whole HTML to our homepage.blade.php. See, before running this we have to change the names of our website. Let's take it as Good2Go. Okay, so in this template, if we are doing some designing parts, ultimately we need a CSS files, right? In our previous video I have explained the CSS. We can use the external CSS files. Same like designers will use the external files mostly, so they will give us a packages like this. These are the CSS folder required for this template to apply all styles. These are the required JS files. Okay, many unwanted JS files also there, because we are going to use this agency.html only. We have many other pages also. They have written CSS and JS files in this folder also. Okay, so just find the files which is not suitable to your template. If these files is not required, means you can remove it from that folder. That is must, because the website weight should be a less. For quick demo I am going to copy all this folder files to our Laravel project. Okay, where we will paste it. Okay, let's use this public section. Okay, I am going to create one folder. I will name it as website. I am pasting the images and all. Okay, see, there it is like a 6+ MB files. That much files are not needed for our single page website. So remove the unwanted files which is not included in this agency.html. Okay, fine. We have copied these files. How to change the, we have to map this folder, right? We have to map this website folder, otherwise it won't run. Let's check whether this file is running or not, because we pasted the HTML in homepage.blade.php. Let's refresh this. See, the files are loading now, but there is no design things are applied, because if you go inspect the, if you are inspecting this browser, it will show whether the files are loaded or not. Okay, see, 23 console errors are there, which means these files are not found failed to load the resource because the path is not mapped well. Okay, see, it is directly mapping the localhost agency css font awesome.min.cs. Okay, fine, we have to map it first. For time being, I am just using this assert website. Okay, so what is the assert method? In Laravel, we have a helper called assert. This assert will directly map to our public folder. Okay, inside the public folder we have a website folder. Inside that we have all the files. That is what I mentioned. Assert folder mapped to public folder. Inside that public we have a website. Okay, for time being, I am just copying these things directly. Then I am just finding the href single colon things, pasting it here, then .css, see, whenever you are using the coding things, we have to know first whether the difference between single quotes and double quotes. This is the open single quote, this is the closing single quote, so that this website is considering as a unknown constant. Okay, so we have to change these all open to double quotes. Let's remove this all. Don't think this is taking time, but you should know whether this might be an issue. Okay, fine. Now we mapped the all CSS files. Let's refresh this. See, now all errors are belongs to JS files. Okay, there is no files error belongs to CSS files because we have mapped all the CSS files. Let's have some attractive website designs now, because mostly JS is used for a functionality wise, so only CSS is belongs to design things. Now we will get a design parts. It's taking some time because my RAM size is very low, so it's taking some time to load the website. In that meantime, I will change the JS part. As I said earlier, we have to use the JS part in footer section of our HTML section. Then we have to load all the CSS files in header section of our website. Okay, there is some issue with JS, so the pages are not visible now. Let's change everything. See, this thing is opened with single quotes. Let's use double quotes inside the, it's our wish, we can do whatever. So .js, inside this I am using like this. Okay, we have mapped the JS files to but still some JS files having a issue and PNG files also. Let's check this main.js. Where is that main.js? Main.js, we missed it, right? So first, whenever you are getting some issue, first refer the console segment of your browser, because all the front-end issues are handled in browser engines, so the exception of browser engines will be intimated in console part. See, now website is coming up with our design things. It's taking loading. In the meantime, we have to map all the images also. Okay, so for quick finding, let's use image equal to, see, I am finding the image tag. Here is the image tag. Let's copy this source equal to, before I am using the Control D shortcut key. Okay, don't confuse in that. This SS is opened with double quotes. Okay, so let's make sure we are going to use a single quote inside the asset helper. Asset website, just mapping the path, so don't waste your time in this. I'm just copying it. That's it. So now we change it for JPG, same right, we have to change it for PNG also. PNG and GIF, whatever. See, then we have a PNG files too. Okay, let's find with the GIF also. Okay, there is no GIF files. See, we are going to reload the attractive website. Almost we implemented designs and HTML in our Laravel. Now this HTML template is running with the Laravel Blade engine. Okay, see, we have implemented our attractive website in Laravel. This, wow, something is missing with actual website. What is the banner image? Okay, there is some issue with banner image. We have check it with the console log. See, hero.1.jpg. Mostly the banner, this is the first section of website, right? Let's go to first section. This is the header. There is the header. After this name is carousel. Okay, after this the carousel is appearing. Here is the carousel section. See, they loaded it in background image, so we have to write here the asset website make sure whether the brackets are closable. I'm just checking with the image, that is hero.jpg. I'm refreshing it. See, we are getting a t-string exception, which means there is some issue with our syntax. Okay, so let's go and we have to give a single quotes here. When we give the single quotes, it will take some issue with these things, so I am using like this. Yeah, now the page is loading. That means that image is mapped with correct path. Okay, so let's copy the same. Here too. That's it. We have done our integration part. We have integrated our HTML template with the Laravel engine. Okay, Laravel Blade engine. That's it. If you want any static website, so you can implement your website in our Laravel, same like this. Okay, I have integrated this peer website HTML. This is the HTML website. I have integrated this peer HTML website into our Laravel folder. Okay, so guys, as I said, in contact us we are going to implement a coding part. let's continue this in a next coming videos. Okay, in next video definitely we are going to implement a contact. Why this break? Before integrating this contact, we are leaving this video because some of you should understand this template integration things in separate part. Okay, in this separate part we are completing the front end integration things. So in next step we are going to start with backend integrations. So let's continue in a next video for backend integrations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for a continuous videos, and kindly share your thoughts in comment section, like and share. Thank you.